Welcome back, guys. A happy Friday. Well, let's hope it is, but we are running into resistance right now for the Bitcoin price. At the time of recording, it's about 20 past midday here in the UK, which is about, I think, 20 past 7 or 20 past 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The price of Bitcoin is $20,850, and we're currently running into this key resistance level. If you're longing Bitcoin right now or want to long Bitcoin right now, just be cautious. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing today into the weekend and basically early next week, how I'm playing this recent Bitcoin pump, because the price of Bitcoin in the last 24 hours is actually up nearly 6%. Ethereum's up nearly 13%. So we have had a nice rally. Without any further delay, guys, let's get into the prediction and uncover this in a bit more detail. Please continue your amazing support. Hit that like button. You're not subscribed yet? Or if you are, fantastic. But if you're not, turn the bell on as well. You will get notifications. So let's look at the current state of Bitcoin. We are, of course, in this bear market, bear trend, and this could be another continuation to the downside. And you could look at it more of like a bear flag. This is the more midterm, and then I'm going to show you what's going on more shorter term. But ultimately, we are still on target, I believe, some point in the next couple of months to come down to about $12,000 or so. But in the more short term, let's go into the 4-hour chart and see how you can play this. Well, right now, the value trade, not saying that this is guaranteed, nothing in trading is guaranteed, but we want to go with where the odds are. We want to correct money management, correct risk management. And right now, we are looking more value in terms of the short trade. In fact, in the Telegram trade signals earlier, I announced this just before making this video. If you're not yet in the Telegram trade signals, guys, you are missing out because I post everything there live. Just check out the link in the video description below. It's free to join and quick and easy. Telegram's really easy to use if you're not already using it. So what I'm currently seeing is a value short position. This is what I'm currently seeing. We could open a trade around here. We could have our stop loss approximately $21,165, and we can target back down at this weekly support level. So what you have here is a risk to reward ratio of about 4.5 to 1. You also have about 7.15% profit against just risking 1.61%. So even if we're wrong, we're only risking 1.61% versus winning 7%. And this is how you apply correct risk money management. So I'm actually going to put that trade on right now with you over on Bybit, the platform that I use to trade mainly. So we're on the Bitcoin USD. We need to go to Bitcoin USDT because I'm holding USDT in my account right now. And we're simply going to do a market order. This isn't going to be a huge order because I might dollar cost average into this trade, and I'm just going to press open short, but I don't want 43x leverage. It's a bit high. I'm going to set something like 15 or so. Let's say 16, and I'm going to open this short. So I've opened my short, and you can now see that that trade is open, and I'll be updating you guys in the Telegram trade signals group. So once again, link in the video description to keep up to date. So far, we're down, but don't worry, it's early days, guys. So what we currently have here is these levels. Where can we consider things turning bullish, right? So the good news is if we break some key resistance levels, we are in danger. I say in danger, we are in for a treat. Bitcoin is likely going to rally immensely, and this is what I mean. So we've got this invalidation point, the 21,000. If we break that level, do expect the daily level to be touched, which is at $21,590. If we break that level, guys, look what happens. Let me go into the slightly bigger time frame. In fact, let's look at this on the daily. What you can see here is we don't have another key level, a weekly level, all the way up to $29,000. Okay, you can see on our volume profile that there's no traded volume all the way from $21,630 all the way up for a 35% move to $29,000. But you can't enter that long yet with any degree of certainty because we need to convincingly break above $21,600. If, guys, this is where my short position trade, of course, is invalidated. But if we break that $21,650 level, guys, even a 10x leverage trade, 35%, 350% gains. Guys, to get started with trading, if you're not already trading futures Of course, it can be risky. I do suggest to check out my Bybit for Beginners video. You'll find that in the link in the video description down below as well. But guys, you can get for free up to $4,100 on Bybit using this link and save a third on your trading fees when you use this link for life. To basically get these bonuses, guys, what you do, sign up. That takes 20 seconds. If you're in the States or Canada, I do suggest using a NordVPN account because you can't trade futures in the States. You can deposit your chosen crypto, make your first derivatives trade, and then go to the rewards hub. And depending on what you've deposited, you'll then see how you can claim up to $4,100 bonus. So it's free crypto, it's risk-free trading to try that out. So this is what we're currently seeing, guys. At the moment, we are still obviously in this bear pattern. The bullish scenario I showed you is 29,000. I still, even if we come up to 29,000, nothing changes, guys. I still believe that we're coming down to about $12,000 because ultimately we have this huge bear flag to play out where we have this pole, and I'm in the wrong type of chart to show you this accurately, but if you look at it in this chart, in this more non-logarithmic chart, you can see that the target to the downside does take you approximately down, as you can see, all the way down to about $12,000. And there's many other indicators that tell us that in terms of percentages from the all-time high to the bottom, etc. So I still believe that if we come up to 29,000, we do something like this, we have this rally, we're still going to come down eventually to $12,000. So let me just be clear about that. But on the short term, let's just look at the bearish target. If we don't break my invalidation point, if we don't break this level, this well, first of all, this $21,000 level and then the $21,600 level, well, like I said, you have to anticipate down at $19,325, and then ultimately you have to consider the bear pattern playing out, which is this bear flag. And guess what, guys? It takes you down again to these sort of levels, potentially even lower. Do let me know in the comments down below, do you think that the bottom's in? Maybe you do. Let me know if you think that. Leave a like. Please share this if I provided value. Don't forget to check out Bybit. Free trade for up to $4,100. Really easy platform to use. This is my trade currently. Let's have a look at it. Oh, I'm in profit. $10 in profit. And like I said, I'll be updating you in the Telegram Trade Signals group later. Also, guys, I'm on Twitter at Marzell Money. You can see lots of TA I post here, my videos, funny memes, stuff like that. So at Marzell Money to follow me on Twitter. Check out any one of these videos on screen before you go, and see you on the next one. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.